Hey guys, this is Tom from Virtual Tours Crerator, and this is the unpacking of the starter kit from VTC. So that's how it comes when it arrives in a little red express parcel from Australia Post. And what you find inside is obviously your camera that you ordered. It's either going to be the orange or the black camera, depending on availability. And you're also going to receive your extension board for your tripod. If you have a tripod at home and you don't want to use any of ours, you will need this bolt and those three parts to extend your tripod to put your 360 camera on top of your tripod plate. So please remember about installing this and not losing it. It's not available in Bunnings. It's not that easy to get because it's got a special photo camera thread. So make sure you don't lose it. Okay. And the last thing, it's going to be a 32 gigabyte memory card. Sometimes we'll put it inside of the camera. So if you don't find it in your bag, please check your camera if it's there. I'll show you where it is in a second. And what you find in the camera box. Let's start with the orange one. The black and orange cameras are no different at all. They're exactly the same. The only difference is that the orange camera comes with a selfie stick for recording 360 videos. Okay, so that selfie stick extends. How you put the camera on top of it, you just screw it on and you have to make sure that this camera is in line with the stick, just like so, as I'm showing you. Never put the camera like that, because then it's going to record the selfie stick and you're going to see it in the video. The purpose of this selfie stick is to be erased from the 360 video, so it looks like a drone is following you and recording in 360. Okay? So remember to keep it all in line. So that's where the camera goes and selfie stick. And then in this box and the other is going to be a little attachment for GoPro accessories. So if you want to put a 360 camera on your helmet, you can attach it to your GoPro accessories. There's also a little black pouch. And I really advise you to always keep this camera inside, and that's going to protect it from scratching the lenses. Okay, so make sure you always have your camera in that pouch. There's also a tiny tripod. It's helpful to put the camera on while charging, and obviously your USB charging cable, same as the older cables for older Android models. Now, the last thing I want to show you is on the side of the camera, that little thing opens up, and that's where you have your charging slot and your memory card. So if it's not here, you get it separate. If this is not in the package, the card will be inside of your camera. And that's pretty much it. Thank you very much. That was the unpacking of the starter kit from Virtual Tours Crerator. Thank you.